In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ChatGPT Search to Google Chrome step by step. This process is straightforward even if you're not too familiar with browser extensions. By the end of this guide, you'll effortlessly be able to use ChatGPT directly from your Chrome browser, integrating AI-powered assistance into your everyday searches. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open up Google Chrome. If you're not already there, go ahead and launch your browser. Once you have Chrome open, the next step is to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing chrome.google.com web store into your address bar and hitting enter. The Chrome Web Store is a fantastic resource filled with extensions that can enhance your browsing experience by extending Chrome's functionality. And today, we're going to find ChatGPT Search here. Once you arrive at the web store, we'll need to find the extension we're looking for. In the search bar, simply type in ChatGPT Search. As you type, you might notice that the web store offers suggestions, which can speed up your search. After hitting enter, you'll see a list of relevant extensions. To find the right one, look for ChatGPT Search, which should be one of the top results. Click on ChatGPT Search to go to its extension page. On this page, you'll see an overview of what the extension does, along with user ratings and reviews. Take a quick glance if you wish, but our main focus is to add this extension to your browser. You'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome on the top right side of the page. Click this button to start the installation process. A small pop-up will appear, asking for confirmation to add ChatGPT Search. This pop-up will inform you about the permissions the extension needs to function properly. If you're comfortable with these permissions, go ahead and click Add Extension. It's important to only add extensions from trusted sources to ensure your browsing privacy and security. Once you've clicked Add Extension, Chrome will automatically download and install it for you. This usually only takes a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. You'll notice the ChatGPT icon appears at the top right corner of your browser, confirming the installation is complete. Now it's time to test it out. Try conducting a search directly from your Chrome address bar. Instead of Google traditionally handling your request, you'll find that your search is redirected to ChatGPT. This seamless integration allows you to use AI to get more nuanced and insightful responses to your queries. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added ChatGPT Search to your Google Chrome browser. Enjoy the enhanced search experience powered by AI, and don't forget to explore other extensions in the web store to customize your browsing experience further. Thanks for following along, and happy searching.